Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations, and we're checking out this. It's Pure Nature. Now on this particular listing, you can get multiple packs, like a 2-pack of Pure Nature. This stuff's absolutely fantastic. You can see I've been taking it for a while and I've never felt healthier. Non-GMO, GMP certified, formulated in the USA, and doctor formulated. You're gonna take 4 of them. Yeah, 4 of them. Only got 2 here. We're gonna take 2 first. And they're absolutely fantastic. Now, one thing I'm going to tell you is when you take these, my little personal tip, make sure you drink some water because you are taking in an immense amount of nutrients and you want that to absorb in the body evenly and efficiently, and they are good. Now, they really do taste like nutrients. They taste like vegetables. They smell like vegetables, almost like you walk into an herb store. You know that smell when you walk into an herb store? Because there's real stuff in this, like garlic, like beet, like apple fiber, like tomato, like ginger juice, and of course bell peppers. All the stuff that's gonna get you going in the day in a natural way. Yeah, that's right. And it's Dr. Formula by Dr. Kara. Now, I've talked with Dr. Kara. He is possibly the smartest guy I've ever met when it comes to overall nutrition. He knows the importance of vegan supplements. He knows the importance of non-GMO supplements, and he makes sure to not put any bad stuff in his ingredients. So, what else do we have in here? Tomato extract. Woo, that's good stuff. Alfalfa powder, barley grass, oat grass, kale, cabbage, cauliflower, parsley, cucumber, and asparagus extract. So all the things you need, and you think about it, in a piece of fruit, there's tons of sugars. There's a whole bunch of water. There's a bunch of fiber, but most of the nutrients are packed far away in the peel and hard to get to. So if you want all those dense nutrients that you get without having to take in all the sugar calories, without all of, peeling an apple or peeling an orange, etc., you want something on the go? A great solution. My tip again is just make sure you drink your water. You don't have to drink it that fast. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations, showing you the best of the best so you can check it out and forget the rest. This is gonna improve your fitness routine, gonna make you lean, mean, fighting machine. All right, check it out, you won't be disappointed. I appreciate you.